Ceramic Pro is a nano-ceramic coating for your vehicle. Designed to protect your vehicle from UV damage, light marring, scratches, and acidic elements such as bird droppings and tree sap. Ceramic Pro is super hydrophobic, which makes cleanup easy and efficient while adding a deep gloss to the paint. Ceramic Pro is also partnered with Carfax, which adds to the resale value of your vehicle. Ceramic Pro products are based on the hardness scale, which starts at 1H and tops out at 9H. Their flagship product is 9H and is included in the silver package and above. Automotive paint is somewhere between 2H and 4H. Quartz coatings are generally around 7H on the hardness scale. Ceramic Pro comes in 6 months to lifetime warranty packages, and its products are also available for interior, glass, wheels, paint protection film, and color change vinyl wraps. We at SS Customs are a certified Ceramic Pro install center servicing the Silicon Valley and San Francisco Bay Area.